Dirt bike riders, gear up for the ride of your life. We've got a treat for you today. We're diving into a world where safety meets style as we take a look at the 5 top-notch dirt bike helmets under $300. A good helmet isn't just a head turner, it's a lifesaver. Remember to check out the link in the description below to get these helmets at the best prices. First up, we have the AFX FX41DS helmet, a perfect blend of aerodynamics and lightweight construction. This helmet is a gem with its hypoallergenic lining, ensuring comfort for all skin types. The ample ventilation is a boon for those long, dusty rides, making it a top pick amongst riders. To get your hands on the AFX FX41DS helmet, click on the link in the description below. Next, we present the LS2MX 470 Subverter helmet, a marvel of modern helmet technology. This helmet boasts a kinetic polymer alloy construction, ensuring durability and safety. The in-molded EPS technology offers advanced protection, while the superior ventilation keeps you cool during your ride. And with a removable foam lining, cleaning is a breeze. To buy the LS2MX 470 Subverter helmet, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Third on our list is the TLD SE4 polyacrylite helmet by Troy Lee Designers. This helmet is a game changer, featuring a multi-directional impact protection system, or MIPS, that's designed to protect you from all angles. The chin bar is made from expanded polypropylene, providing an extra layer of safety, and the plastic visor screws. They're designed for easy breakaway. To make the TLD SE4 polyacrylite helmet yours, click on the link in the description below. Last but not least, we have the Bell MX9W MIPS helmet, a helmet that combines style and safety. It offers a robust polycarbonate ABS shell and is equipped with the cutting-edge MIPS technology for enhanced protection. Despite its durable construction, it remains lightweight, ensuring comfort during your ride. To get the Bell MX9W MIPS helmet, check out the link in the description below. So there you have it, folks. The 5 best dirt bike helmets under $300. From the aerodynamic AFX FX41DS, the superior ventilation of the LS2MX 470 Subverter, to the multi-directional impact system of the TLD SE4 polyacrylite and the lightweight yet durable Bell MX9W MIPS. For the best deals on these helmets, make sure to click on the link in the description below. Stay safe and keep riding.